Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we'll be discussing that how you can block your any specific WhatsApp chat. So security and privacy is very important when it comes to messaging apps. So this is the crucial thing. So what you have to do is you have to just tap on WhatsApp and you have to open your WhatsApp. Now you have to navigate to the chat you want to lock. Now you have to tap on the contact name that is coming on the top of the screen. Now scroll down and now there's the option of chat lock, so you have to just enable that feature of chat locks. You have to tap on chat lock. Currently it's off, you can see. Now lock with face id or a pattern, whatever you want to do. So I'm here locking it with my face id. It will scan your face id and then it will be enabled. Now chat lock is enabled. Now I'll show you that how it will work. So yeah, now there will come a feature of chat lock like lock chats. Now you can open that lock chat and you will find that chat that you have locked here. Thanks for watching.